My very first Issey makeup from their Cowgirl collection. Let's try them out. This is the Creme Flush Stick. As you can see, it's just quite sheer. It is matte. It's very easy to blend out. Ta-da! Eyeshadow Duo comes in this limited edition pink palette. This is reverse. Wow, look at that pigment. Oh my gosh. And this is Cowgirl. Oh my god. Look at that. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Char. Let's first try Cowgirl. That is such a gorgeous shade. Look at that. That's Cowgirl. That's Cowgirl. Let's apply reverse. Ah! My god. On the inner corner of our eyes. Wow. That is so gorgeous. That's stunning. I kind of want to extend that under my eyes. That is so pretty. Ang cute. Ano kaya kung lagyan din natin yung middle part ng eyelid ko? Oh my god, look at that. Look at the difference. Mas may dimension ko compared here. Excuse me. Could you please repeat that? Diba? Napuwing pala. Super quick, super easy eye look. Super gorgeous. I like this. 9 out of 10. Now we have the blush. This one. Oh, may pagka-brown siya. It's a pink brown. I like that. I like that. I really appreciate that it's not like a very putok na putok blush. It's wearable and it's perfect for an everyday makeup look. Ito, pwede din for everyday kung trip nyo. 10 out of 10. And that is it, you guys. My very first 2 Issey makeup products. And I'm very happy with my purchase. Mwah!